Look.
Alright. Alright. Look. Pass. Ooh, hold up. Pass.
Life. Life. Go.
Okay. Alright. Adapt. Well, I'm gonna do the Mika link. I'll ping out the, I won't ping out that guy. And I'll ping. Here. We'll crack base. Go shield. Oh, shield. What the shit? Alright, pass. What the? That's not good.
4 health?
4 health. I got 3. I'm already burnt out, bro. Oh, shit.
Ping tap.
Trade. Adapt and trade, okay.
Oh, it's awkward. Trade.
Trade, okay. Damn it.
Go.
Shield. Pass. A Gundam armor link was really.
That would be freaking
That would be
nasty
so
right
fucking
now.
annoying right now.
Yeah.
Got 5 shields. Oh, okay, this one. Okay. Bro, what am I gonna do against this shit?
Go.
Oh, you're gonna.
What?
He's going for game. What do I do in this, bro? What do I do, bro? There's so many options, man.
The Earth Federation has arrived.
What the fuck, bro? What do I do? Go shield. Pass.
1.
Okay.
Life.
What the fuck?
Life.
Oh, baby, let's go. Go shield.
Link?
Yeah, I do have a link.
You got
I got
sick.
fucking